You don't need a government, a good economy, the perfect time, or permission from your family, friends, and peers. If you have at least $500 or can find a way to save it, then all you need to start a business is courage and the book that helped me take the leap from employment to entrepreneurship. At 46, my family was barely making it. 4 years later, we're living comfortably, pursuing hobbies, and no longer stressing about money. This isn't some overnight success story, but it is about how a first-generation immigrant with zero business experience leaped from teaching into entrepreneurship. And it's changing our family's future for generations. This isn't just about money. It's about building a life of intention and freedom, financially and with our time. And it all started with one book, The Millionaire Fast Lane. In this video, I'm sharing 5 key insights from that book that took us from struggling to a thriving small business shipping across the US. I'm doing it while showing you my latest adventure at the 2025 Toyota Jamboree. This isn't just about financial success, it's about designing a life where your passions and your livelihood are aligned. So back in 2008, I was a teacher in the Philippines, and pay was just enough if I was single and had no responsibilities. I dreamt of the American dream, a lavish life in the land of milk and honey. I moved to the US with $800, expecting Hollywood, parties, and abundance. Reality check, I got laid off because of the 2008 Great Recession. My perception of the US was shattered. I bounced between teaching jobs, working tirelessly, often from 5 a.m. to midnight. It was a grind, a necessary grind, but a grind nonetheless. Then came the constant uncertainty, a long and expensive immigration process, threats of being fired for ridiculous reasons despite my students winning multiple awards, being forced to teach 4 subjects and manage and troubleshoot more than 500 student computers. The message was clear. My career, my time, my life, they were mine. I was just a gear in someone else's machine. When a better or cheaper gear came along, I was out. The desire to start my own business, to be my own boss, grew stronger. But fear held me back. Even though I was underpaid, overworked, and unhappy, at least I felt safe. Then COVID hit. My son Raven, who at that time was just fresh out of college, decided to use TikTok to start his business. And within months, he was earning more than me. That was the rude awakening I needed. My desire to build something for myself became undeniable, but I was still scared. That's when I stumbled upon The Millionaire Fast Lane by MJ DeMarco. The title sounded scammy, but the reviews and sample hooked me. It gave me the push I desperately needed to change our lives. Fast forward 4 years, and I'm living my own version of the American dream. Not the mansion and Ferrari dream, but the one where I have time for my family, my hobbies, and passion projects like this YouTube channel, without having to choose between them and keeping a roof over our heads. In fact, I'm at the 2025 Toyota Jamboree right now, and being here was only possible because of the Millionaire Fast Lane. Let's dive into the insights that made this adventure possible. Insight number 1, life has 3 lanes, choose carefully. DeMarco doesn't pull punches. The sidewalk is paycheck to paycheck living, focused on instant gratification. The slow lane is society's blueprint. Safe job, 401k, coupon clipping. Hoping for retirement in your 60s. For me, at 50, with perhaps a decade left for physically demanding adventures, the slow lane felt like suffocation. The thought of postponing living until my body gives out, or not being able to support my family and their hobbies now, it was a punch to the gut. I needed the fast lane, a 5 to 7 year journey of challenge, learning, and self-education to align my finances with my life's passions, not postpone them. Insight number 2, stop consuming and start providing value. This was a profound shift. For years, I traded time for money, then spent that money. The Millionaire Fast Lane flipped that script. Real wealth isn't from paychecks, it's from providing value to the market, from identifying problems and solving them. My focus shifted from what can I get to what can I give. I wanted to start a business, but felt no one would trust a printer working out of a garage. Then I realized if people were making money with organic content, I could too. I started using social media with a new lens to get my business seen. The problem I addressed: people wanted to start businesses with low risk. My offer: DTF transfers. Low cost, high quality, full color, no need for $20,000 equipment. I started on TikTok. I didn't hard sell. I provided value, business insights, inspiration, education. And the orders started pouring in.
Insight number 3, you have to scale for freedom. And to do that, time detachment is key.
Juggling a full-time job and a demanding venture seemed impossible. But DeMarco highlights the importance of scalable businesses where your income isn't directly tied to hours worked. I couldn't just get another time-intensive side hustle. I needed a system that could generate income even when I wasn't actively at the helm. In the beginning, I worked my teaching job by day and learned the internet game with my son by night. Once the business could sustain us, I quit. It was scary, but I knew I could make it work. Time is your most precious resource. Building a scalable business, one that eventually operates with less of my direct involvement, became a core principle. We're still working on it, testing more robust equipment and building back-end software that will make me obsolete in the business.
Insight number 4, you have to take control of your life, your choices, your finances.
The security of a 9-to-5 often masks a lack of true control. Your career, income, vacation, it's often dictated by someone else. The Millionaire Fast Lane exposes this. I yearned for the autonomy to decide when and on what I'd work, to take extended off-roading trips without burning vacation days, to dedicate more time to my daughter's hobbies. My own business offered the promise of reclaiming that control. I've seen too many hardworking people retire only to need part-time jobs because their pension isn't enough. There's nothing wrong with those jobs, but seeing people spend their lives working only to be constrained in retirement is heartbreaking. Breaking free from that cycle, having more say in how I spend my days and money, now and in retirement, was a huge motivator.
And insight number 5, the SENSE framework, that is your Fast Lane GPS.
This isn't just philosophy. DeMarco provides a tangible framework for evaluating business opportunities. The SENSE criteria became my checklist. Control. Can I control the branding, acquisition, distribution, operations? Entry. Is the barrier low enough for me, but high enough to deter rampant competition? Need. Does it solve a genuine market need? Time. Can I put systems in place to make it run independent of me? Scale. Does it have potential for significant growth? Other passionate ideas didn't fit this framework, so we scrapped them. Merch Studio, our DTF transfer business, checked all the boxes. In 2021, DTF was largely unknown outside the printing industry.
The printers are expensive and information was scarce. And those 2 things made printing your own shirt more challenging, but they also gave us more control.
There was a clear need, a low-cost, low-risk way for people to start custom apparel businesses. We knew we could automate, and scaling was as simple as adding more printers and operators.
In fact, our shop now has 5 DTF printers with a total print capacity of more than 1,400 feet per day.
And it's all possible because of the things that I learned in this book. If you're serious about taking the leap or changing your business model to make it more profitable, I recommend reading or listening to the whole book. And to make things easy for action takers out there, I added a link in the description.
So there you have it. I read so many books on business and they all helped me out, but this was the book that started it all.
Thanks for spending this time with me. If this resonated, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more insights and reflections on this journey. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out.
Thanks for spending time with me, and here's to living life on the fast lane. Let's get it.